Imagine you had a giant hill of dirt to move, just you and a shovel. The task would seem almost impossible. Now, call a friend to help. Who calls a friend to help? Who calls a friend, and soon you have thousands of people who can do a few shovels full. In no time, that big hill is gone. Now you and your friends can go help strangers everywhere move their own hills. When you go it alone, tasks can seem impossible. Together, though, we can move mountains. Hi, I'm Errol Snyder. I'm one of the campaign coordinators here at Canyon View. I am so blessed to be a part of this group of people here at Canyon View that have done so many amazing things in the past, and I can't wait to see what God's got planned for the future. Right now, we're in the process of moving our own hill of debt for the church, working as a team to bring about a future where we put our time, resources, and an even greater impact for the kingdom. You know, I've heard it asked, aren't we doing this already? Well, there's a reason we're known as that church that helps people, why you see Canyon View around the city and around the world. But we're not content to rest on what we've accomplished. We're striving to grow the kingdom more, and we want you to know you're not going to do this alone. To really drive home that point, next week we want every campus from Canyon View together here for one massive service at 11 a.m. When you see a huge group of like-minded people all in one place with the goal of reaching people for Jesus, it tends to leave a lasting impression. So remember, next Sunday, every campus, every person, here at 11. The future with God leading Canyon View is going to be amazing, and next Sunday, you will see how as a group, we can move mountains.